Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make these beautiful and delicious pumpkin scones. Little crispy on the outside and so soft on the inside, finished with the perfect cinnamon and pumpkin glaze. Let's go! Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, sift all-purpose flour, add baking powder, sugar, and a little bit of salt. And of course all these festive spices. Ground cinnamon, ground ginger, and a little bit of nutmeg. Mix it well with a whisk, then add cold butter cut into small cubes. Combine all ingredients, turning everything into crumbs with your fingers. Be fast enough to prevent the butter from melting. I also add candied pumpkin. Just cut it into small pieces. Of course you'll need pumpkin puree. I always use homemade, by the way. Mix it with buttermilk and add two other ingredients. Mix it all a little with a spatula or with a wooden spoon. When the dough starts to come together, put it on a floured surface and use your fingers to form a square. Or kind of. Then fold it in half, form a rectangle or a square again, and fold again. Add more flour if you need, just a little. Finally, form a square about 1 inch thick. Using a cutter or a knife, divide it into two parts. Then each part into two more parts. Diagonally divide each square into two triangles. You can make large scones or make it even smaller by dividing each one in half. It's up to you. Put it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Mix together an egg and a little bit of milk using a fork. And cover with it the top of each scone. Put it in the oven and bake for about 25 minutes until golden brown. After removing it from the oven, let cool on a wire rack. And you can eat it as is, warm or cold. Or you can cover it with cinnamon and pumpkin glaze. Add a little bit of pumpkin puree, icing sugar, ground cinnamon, and a few drops of lemon juice to a mixing bowl. Whisk until smooth and coat the top of the scones. You can also add some toasted pumpkin seeds on top. Wait for the glaze to set and serve. Oh my god, it smells fantastic! Perfectly pumpkiny and deliciously spicy. These sunny beauties are packed with pumpkin flavor, and they're just perfect for this season. You should definitely try it right away. The most beautiful scone for you.
Oh, look at that. Looks gorgeous. Smells gorgeous. And it tastes gorgeous. It reminds me of how they say it in French, pain d'épices, or gingerbread. It's as if it was a pumpkin gingerbread. It's awesome.
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.